So today I'm here at area Fishty One with this sick ride, paddle boat with the trolling motor, and hopefully we can go slay some bass.
Back us out of here.
Yeah. Get a little deeper. Fish. Bye bye, Senko.
Another one.
Oh, jeez. Come on, Jimmy. Nice. Alright, I'll just kind of wait.
Big.
Doubled.
Big one. Wait, no, it ain't.
Dang. Donk.
That thing's far.
Alright. Well, doubled up. Time for a new Senko. Get one.
Nope.
Both of the ones I just had came unexpectedly. Oh. Yo, he took that one down. There we go. Getting on him. Yeah.
Was that right up on the wall?
Yeah. Long pause and he took it down. There's another one.
It's a nice house.
Yeah.
The fish in here are really nice.
Yeah, for sure. Fish boy? Yes, sir.
I didn't even set the hook.
Right out of that weeds. That's a decent one. It's a nice one. These dudes fight like smallies. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's like a 2.5. That's a decent one, man.
That's a very nice fish.
That is. He's just hanging in.
That's the head of a 3.
Yeah, that thing is. It's not super long, but you want a picture? Sure. Attaboy. Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, if you're in that pocket.
Enough.
Oh, heads up.
Another decent one. Oh, he's peeing. Dude, I'm squeezing pee out of him, look. Yeah.
Hey, you gotta be nice.
I am.
He's disrespecting me.
Oh.
Come on now. Flatter.
Nah. He's just gotta get it. Come on. Oh.
We're up on here. Let me get out. What's going on? Come on.
I'm just totally going with the drift. I'm not even moving it. It's getting like barely dragged. Oh. Look at that.
Just had a bit.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, dude. Oh, he's still on. He's still on. He came back for it. That was sick. Yeah. That was okay. Chill to me. Yeah, that was.
Mouth.
Yeah.
Rip fish's mouth. Nice.
That was funny.
Broke a rod in
Yeah.
the process.
That was funny. I just totally went with the drifting. Come on. Oh. Come on, little Jimmy. That was...
I've never put the video here.
Right, next time I'm coming with all ultralights. Oh, come on, the Senko just fell in. No, it's set too deep.
That's not the good one, right?
No, it's not. Oh, dude, a bass is gonna eat it. It's not. Well, I mean, it is juice, but it's not the juice. Come on, man. perfect hook set. Bye, Timmy. Alright. I'm gonna stay down, see if I can get one now. Just out in the open though. Dude, as soon as I started reeling it up, oh, hold up, I just got boiled. Oh, got him! Yo, no! Yo! That was sick! Hold up! Oh man, I just backlashed. Oh, got him. Yes, sir. That was sick. That's a decent one, too. Yeah. You called it. That's a decent one, too. I don't want to flip him. He's going to kill me. Alright, we got him. Phew. Oh. Alright, there we go.
Oh, that is so close to your hand.
Okay. That was sick.
So close to.
Well, there's the first topwater fish for me at 2021.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can I get my first?
Bro, that dude is skinny.
Mind if I try to get my first?
Tie on a whopper flopper.
I don't have one.
No, I'm just kidding. Oh, got him. That was right at the edge there. That's a nice little guy. It's pretty small. I can always throw mine. Barely hooked. The juice. You can throw my rod if you want. Okay. I still need to get like an 8-pounder. Oh yeah, there's another one. Yeah, I see the bass on that one too. 2 beds right here. Fish on. Yo, that guy was deep. That's a good one. Oh, he chucked the Senko. Oh. Shield. He ate it. You got your pliers? I'm gonna need them. Or... Dude, I'm just... He's a squirt gun. Yeah. Okay. Open up. Oh, that's not gonna come out. It's hooked like in his back of the throat. Oh, got it. Bye bye. Yeah.
Stop right there. Open the door.
Oh, he's going after it. He's going after it. Still grabbing. Let's go! Let's go! Yo! Bed fished him. Hey! That was sick. Yeah, that was sick. That was a sick fish. That was... Oh, I just missed one. Just as it was, got him, got him. Yo, that was sick. I missed him the first time. Is he snagged? No, he ate it. Oh, he is snagged. Yo. Oh, okay, the first one was bigger. I swear the first one was bigger. But that dude came up and swiped at it and the hook set got him.
He's gonna have a headache.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little headache. Yeah, geez, these hooks are sticky.
Pliers?
Got him.